Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel.
Yes, and it looks like we are getting some
Nice
something, some rain or something. It's pretty breezy out.
Guys, listen to me, guys. Listen.
Feels nice though.
It's not gonna come over here, Mom.
He says it's not going to come over here, but this here was way back there, and it has come a lot closer to us now.
A lot closer.
But Mr. Weatherman seems to think
I know what I'm talking about.
that we're not going to get this here. Look how close it is.
Alright, but we're getting that sand. You see it's traveling that way.
You hear that?
What is that?
That's wind, Mr. Weatherman. Yes, this is the time, according to the weather forecast, that we're supposed to get rain. So, it's not going to come here, huh, Chase? Look at this.
It's
Chase, look at this.
It's behind that side.
Yeah, it's vying this way. Look at this. Look at this. None of this was over here.
No, look, it's going that side.
I smell the rain.
I know.
I smell rain.
That's it. We're done.
That's it?
Yeah. We're done.
I don't think so. Look all the way out there.
You see, that's it.
Look all the way out there. It's pretty breezy. Pretty breezy.
She wants to know if she can close the side.
Yes. Yeah, it's pretty breezy. I think that's rain that's out there. But
I smell it. I smell it. I smell it.
You smell the rain. You smell the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is I'm sure nothing compared to what our family and friends are going to be experiencing in the States, because they have Hurricane Milton that's out there, and it's expected to hit sometime tomorrow, and it's going to be pretty serious. What is that? The winds are expected to be at 125 miles per hour, so that's going to be some pretty serious winds that can cause some very serious damage. So, Mr. Weatherman seems to
give us 96 miles per hour.
96 is enough to cause some serious damage.
89.
You know, when I worked at the sheriff's office, 40-mile-per-hour winds, we were pulling our guys off of the road because it was just too dangerous for them to be out there with the winds that strong.
Guys, we're done.
So, at 120-some mile-per-hour winds,
yeah, nothing else.
It's going to be pretty bad. So we hope that they are hunkered down well, and that they are prepared well, and that all will be well. So that's pretty. 2 hurricanes back to back like that. Hurricane Helene hit. I think about 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks.
Dang, Mommy.
In the Carolinas, and they are still trying to get it together there. And now here we have Hurricane Milton that's out there. And the path that it's expecting to take is our hometown, Manatee County. The city that we were in was Bradenton. It's a little cool out here.
It's my place.
So that area is definitely in the cone to where Hurricane Milton is expected to hit. So that's where our families are, on both sides of the family, my side and in-laws. So we are definitely keeping you guys in our prayers and our thoughts. So we hope that all will go well. It is a little concerning, but hopefully you guys are prepared for this. But this here, I don't know, it looks like might be passing over us.
No, come to us.
We were hoping for some rain, but it looks like it might be passing over us. Mr. Chase standing on my water fountain.
Come to us! Yeah! Come to us!
Yeah, I think this is going to pass over us. I don't know, but we were hoping for some of that rain. So with this storm, some of our family members have had to evacuate the area that they're in because of the area that they're in. They're in a flood zone. So hopefully they're getting that situated, because that's not anything to play around with, because this storm is coming with some serious winds and rain. So I'm really hoping that they're prepared for it. I don't think I've ever experienced one. I'm pretty sure I've never experienced one with the winds this strong, or I don't remember one where the winds were this strong. And usually we've for that area that we were in, we skirted by quite a bit of hurricanes. There are a lot of threats for our area, and we would get like the outskirts of it, but I don't recall us being right dead smack in the middle of it. But this one here, it's definitely headed for that area. So I'll be keeping my eyes on the news, on the weather forecast, to see what Milton is doing. But hopefully Milton won't cause too much damage. And I can tell you, this is one thing I do not miss being in Florida, and especially when I was working at the sheriff's office. Anytime we had a hurricane coming our way, we had to lock in at work. So there was no, locking in at home with your family. You were locking in at work, because the type of work that we did, shift work, we had to rotate and relieve the other shifts. So yeah, that's just definitely one thing. Definitely one thing I don't miss. So my heart goes out to my family at the sheriff's office. You guys know who you are. I miss you guys. I'm thinking about you guys. Hang in there. You guys, you got this. You do what you know how to do. Do what you were trained to do. But I don't miss this, guys. I don't miss it. Yeah, anytime a hurricane was coming our way, we hated getting that notification that we were going to be locked in at work. We hated it. But it came with the job. It was a part of the job. You just, you knew. Everybody would be hoping, oh, we don't have a lockdown. Yeah. But those are some. There were some good memories during those lockdowns. There were some good memories, but like I said, I don't miss that. I definitely don't miss it. But again, my heart goes out to our families and our friends and my ex-coworkers. So you guys hang tight. Please make sure you're prepared. If you're in an area that they said you need to evacuate, please don't ignore it. Please don't. And that's one thing about our the elderly. They don't like to leave their homes. So, they when it comes time to evacuating, that's not something that they will do. So, some of them will, but for the most part, you do have the ones that are stubborn. They don't want to leave their homes. I don't blame them, but for your safety, you got to do it.
Guys,
So,
it's nothing out here.
say what?
It's nothing out here.
Yeah,
It's raining.
it's starting to rain. We're getting a little bit,
Yeah.
a little drizzle. A little drizzle. It's breezy. It's cool. We got the sliders open, letting the cool breeze in.
Oh no, they're closed.
Chelsea closed the sliders downstairs. Well, I have my sliders open upstairs.
Can I open mine? Can I open?
Yeah, you need to open yours. Let some fresh air in there.
Okay, can you do that?
No, you can do it.
I can't. I'm too broke.
You're too broke. What does that have to do with anything?
I'm broke now. I'm broke now.
Yeah, so that's just gonna be a pretty long ride, but hang in there. Just hang in there. And then the good thing is the weather will be nice afterwards. That's a good thing, because that last hurricane, I hear, it was pretty muggy and pretty warm afterwards, but this storm here is supposed to be some cool weather coming behind it. So if you like cooler weather, that's something bright. That's some bright news for you. But hang in there. We're thinking about you guys. And we're praying. All the way here in South Africa, we're praying for you guys. So it looks like we might be getting something. It's lightning. The calm before the storm. I don't know. It does feel really nice out here though. You can see how breezy it is. It's really nice. There's the lightning. So hopefully we will get some rain. It's one of my favorite times of the years when it's rainy season. I love it. Rainy season and cold weather. That's me. Spring is nice if it's not too warm, but for the most part, rainy seasons and cold weather. That's me. What did you say, Chase?
Rain but no lightning.
Rain but no lightning. But you were just upstairs on the balcony saying, "Come on, bring it on, bring it on." What's going on now?
I don't want lightning.
You don't want lightning? It all is a part of the
No. Do you want
part of the package. I love it. When the lights are out in the house and everything is open, nice breeze coming through,
Why don't you do that?
lightning, thunder, love it. Maybe a little bit of soft music playing in the background. Woo! That's a nice scene there.
You should do it.
Nice setting. What are you doing?
You do?
What you doing? What you do best, huh? Doing what you do best.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I know Miss Chelsea's singing because she's happy to hear the thunder. But woo, that lightning that just came.
I feel like
Woo, that lightning that just went across the sky.
I feel like it was pictured.
Oh my gosh, that was pretty scary.
You heard me, Mommy?
Woo, I think I dropped my heart. Oh man, there was some serious lightning there. That was some serious lightning.
It felt like it was pictured.
Wow. You feel like you were getting your pictures taken?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty serious. Woo! That got me running. Wow. Okay, so we got the lightning, we got the thunder. Now we're just waiting on the rain.
Rain, yes.
Waiting for the rain.
The rain.
What are you doing, Chelsea?
We have to wear beige socks.
Yeah, you have to wear bare socks.
Beige.
Beige socks. Why?
They just sent it out again.
Okay, they can't figure out which one you guys are supposed to wear?
I don't know.
Is it beige or white?
It's beige.
It's beige. Okay.
You guys saw that?
It's beige. Okay. Beige it is. Yeah, that lightning was pretty scary. Oh my gosh, my heart is still racing. Oh my
Was it a
God.
strike?
It was more than a strike.
Mom, he just keeps eating and eating and eating.
That's what Chase does. Eats and eats and eats. Yep, we got the lightning, we got the thunder, now we're just waiting on the rain.
And then the lightning and thunder can go.
Yeah. You guys, here we are. We're getting that rain that we wanted.
Yep.
It was pretty breezy. It was really breezy. And nothing like what our family in the States are preparing to go through. Yeah. So they have a little bit of time before it hits their area. So although we are here in South Africa enjoying this little light thunderstorm, I'm sure they are not, it's no fun what they're getting ready to go through. But we are definitely praying for them. We're praying for you guys. Hunker down. Be safe. Be safe.
Okay, guys. So here's my dad showing a little bit of what the hurricane is looking like.
Yeah, the hurricane.
Milton?
Yeah, the hurricane hasn't hit there yet. They're just now getting some of the winds that's starting to pick up there, but
yes,
it hasn't hit there yet.
yes. But here's my dad showing a little bit of like the winds, the rains, the clouds and stuff.
And what it looks
So-
like there now.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
here it is.